Here's a lighter, sturdier, nicer built version of my super slender Delta with the ridiculously low aspect ratio of 18-inch span by 42-inch core. This is RET, just rudder, elevator, and throttle with some dihedral wingtips to couple the roll and the yaw axis and to provide a bit of auto leveling. The fact that this plane even flies is an accomplishment, and it's not that bad, but it's got some major flaws that still need to be worked out. The elevator doesn't provide as much authority as I want on a lot of instances, because the thrust stream is way too far away to provide good prop wash, and otherwise this has pretty poor economics on this type of plane. So it's alright, it gets the job done, but it's nothing spectacular. So all that being said, not bad. Let's take her for a spin. I don't have enough color contrast to really fly with this low light very well, so I'm gonna bring her in here. Otherwise, I would definitely still be able to see it. When it's close, I can still see everything, but